In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between trading accounts on MetaTrader 5. Switching accounts on MetaTrader 5 is a straightforward process, but knowing the exact steps can save you time and allow you to manage multiple accounts efficiently. Let's dive into the process and make the transition as smooth as possible. To begin, you'll want to open MetaTrader 5. Whether you're using the desktop version on your computer or an app on your device, make sure the platform is fully loaded and ready. Once you're in, direct your attention towards the top of your MetaTrader interface. There, you'll find the View option in the menu bar. Clicking on View will reveal a drop-down list of options. In this list, look for the Navigator option and click on it. This action will open up the Navigator panel on the left-hand side of your screen. The Navigator is essentially your control center for managing various aspects of your MetaTrader 5 platform, including indicators, scripts, and most importantly for today, your trading accounts. Now that you have the Navigator panel opened, take a look under the tab labeled Accounts. You should see an expandable and collapsible section where all of your trading accounts are listed. What you'll want to do next is to expand this Accounts section. Expanding it will present you with a list of all the accounts you have set up in MetaTrader 5. It's important to make sure you select the correct account, as different accounts may have different balances, settings, and even purposes. Once you've identified the account you want to switch to, simply double-click on it. This double-click action signals to the platform that you want to begin using this specific account for your trading activities. Now, at this point, MetaTrader 5 might prompt you to enter your password for that account. This security feature is in place to ensure that only authorized individuals can access the account. If you're prompted, carefully type in your password. Double-check to make sure there are no typos or errors, as an incorrect password will prevent you from accessing the account. The password entry step is crucial for keeping your trading activities secure. And there you have it. Once you've entered your password correctly, MetaTrader 5 will log you into the selected account and you're all set to start trading. By following these easy steps, you can switch between your trading accounts seamlessly. It's a useful skill for those managing multiple accounts, ensuring you can keep track of different investments or strategies with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!